Hi. Okay, today is Monday, 19 December 2016. Okay, we're gonna harvest your pumpkin, huh? Okay, show me the pumpkin. Where's the pumpkin? Over here. Over here. Over here. Okay, we're gonna harvest your pumpkin. Where is it? Okay, I see it. Okay, here you are, your pumpkin. That one's too young. That one's okay. Stephanie, your pumpkin. Hey. Okay, put it down. Put it on the scale. Rồi bỏ lên coi, cân coi, chỉnh ra coi. Okay, how many kilo? It's a
3.4.
No, 3.5 kilo. 3,5 kg. Okay, 3.5 kilo. That one. Good. Okay, đứng vô chụp hình coi.
Có ăn không đó chị?